Hi there, today we visit the Brandenburg Gate. The Brandenburg Gate is an 18th century neoclassical monument in Berlin, built on the orders of Prussian King Frederick William II, after restoring the Orangist power by suppressing the Dutch popular unrest. One of the best-known landmarks of Germany, it was built on the site of a former city gate that marked the start of the road from Berlin to the town of Brandenburg in der Havel, which used to be the capital of the Margraviate of Brandenburg. It is located in the western part of the city center of Berlin, within Mitte, at the junction of Unter den Linden and Ebertstraße, immediately west of the Pariser Platz. 1 block to the north stands the Reichstag building, which houses the German parliament, Bundestag. The gate is the monumental entry to Unter den Linden, a boulevard of linden trees, which led directly to the royal city palace of the Prussian monarchs. In the time of Frederick William, AD 1688, shortly after the 30 Years' War and a century before the gate was constructed, Berlin was a small walled city. The Brandenburg Gate was not part of the old Berlin fortress, but one of 18 gates within the Berlin customs wall, erected in the 1730s, including the old fortified city and many of its then suburbs. The new gate was commissioned by Frederick William II of Prussia to represent peace, and was originally named the Peace Gate, Friedenster. It was designed by Karl Gerhard Langhans, the court superintendent of buildings, and built between 1788 and 1791, replacing the earlier simple guardhouses, which flanked the original gate, in the customs wall. The gate consists of 12 Doric columns, 6 to each side, forming 5 passageways. The gate was the first element of a new Athens on the River Spree, by architect Langhans. Atop the gate is a sculpture by Johann Gottfried Schadow, of a quadriga, a chariot drawn by 4 horses, driven by Victoria, the Roman goddess of victory. Throughout its existence, the Brandenburg Gate was often a site for major historical events, and is today considered not only as a symbol of the tumultuous history of Germany and Europe, but also of European unity and peace. Thank you for joining us in our journey to explore our world. We hope to see you again. Please subscribe.